Hey everybody, take 3. I don't know what happened. I think I had the stuff laying on my keyboard and it was messing me up. So, my Annie's Craft Kit Clubs came in. And I subscribe to these through Amazon. And they bill your account monthly and send it to you. And today is February the 28th, and this is my March kits. So they usually come a day or two ahead of the first of the month. This one, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, is going to go into a giveaway. It is Sweet Embroidered Tea Towels. And it says, enjoy life is delicious. This says, live life with little spice. And it's the black check tea towels. But, I'm over slow stitching. My hands aren't working right. I can't do the pinching motion to do it. Right now, I'm just not into it. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep Farmhouse. Kind of on the fence. I might do it one more month just to see what comes. The next one is Annie's Creative Woman subscription box. And I'm going to keep this for sure. I love it. I love snowmen. And this is Felted Snowman. And it sends you everything you need, or you could possibly need, to make these little snowmen. So yeah, I think I am going to do these, and since there's 2 of them in there, you know, the boys will, they'll get a charge out of these next Christmas. And a lot of my Christmas decorations are snowmen, so yep, I'm going to do this one, but you probably won't see it until maybe October, November when I do this one. So I'm going to pack this with my let's say fall stuff, and then bring it back out and do this one later. But check them out if you have the Amazon Prime account or Amazon account where you pay them monthly. Just check them out, and they have more than Annie's. They have everything you can think of in subscription boxes. You can get makeup, you can get all kinds of stuff. So just write in monthly subscription boxes, and a whole slew of them comes up. So guys, I hope you will check them out. I hope you find some goodies that you want to use, and they also give you access to a digital content every time they send it, and they tell you how to sign into your account and all. So I've never checked it. This is like my 3rd month, and I've never checked to see the digital, so I'm gonna go back and look and see what that is. Alright guys, check them out. Amazon subscription boxes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.